Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how the quality of products and services has personally affected me as a consumer. And I'll share some specific examples where my expectations were met, exceeded, or not met when making purchases, and how these experiences changed my perception of the product or organization. So let's start with a positive experience. I recently bought a new phone and I did a lot of research before purchasing. When I received it, the phone met all my expectations. The personal, the performance, camera quality, and battery life were exactly as advertised. This made me feel satisfied with my purchase and I gained trust in the brand because they delivered with what they promised. I I would definitely consider buying from them again. And the next one is I want to share an experience where my expectations were exceeded. I ordered a meal from a restaurant that I hadn't tried before. Not only was the food delivered on time, but it also tasted amazing and the portions were larger than expected. The service was great and they even included a free dessert. This experience made me feel valued as a customer, and it definitely made me want to order from them again. It showed me that going the extra mile can really make a difference. And the last is I've also had some not so great experiences. And one time I ordered a pair of shoes online that looked really good in the photos. However, when they arrived, the quality was poor. The material was cheap and the size didn't fit well even though I followed their sizing guide. And I felt disappointed because the product didn't match the description or photos. This experience made me hesitant to buy from that online store again. And now I read reviews more carefully before making a purchase. So overall, these experiences have taught me that the quality of products and services greatly impacts my perceptions of a brand. When my expectations are met or exceeded, I feel more loyal and satisfied as a customer. However, when they are not met, it negatively affects my trust in the brand, and I'm less likely to buy from them again. It's a reminder of how important it is for companies to maintain high standards and be transparent with their customers. And that's all. Thanks for listening to my experiences and I hope you found them relatable. And I'm curious how to hear about how products and services qualities has affected you too. And thank you.